Hi, boys and girls. Now, this is the second part to our creative writing. Remember, we talked about how to help a class get dressed for a rainy day, and I hope you did a good job with that. Now, today we're going to focus a little bit more on our informative writing about organization, how to organize our thoughts, right? And we're going to use words like first. You know what first means when you come first in a race, right? First, second, third, and last. First, second, third, last. So that's how we're going to organize our thoughts. What do we do first? So when you did your when you did your exercise on the how to get dressed for rainy weather, you would say what have happened first, what would happen second, third, and most importantly, what happened last, right? And another way we can use those same words to put a list or order and organize something, we can use the word now, next, then, and finally. Now, next, then, and finally. What happens now? What happens next? What happened then? And then what happened finally? It's basically the same as saying first, second, third, last. So you can use those two forms in order to figure out how to put the steps together. Okay? So when we're writing something, we're going to say what happened first. We're going to say what happened next. And then we're going to say what happened last, right? Or use the other words. But right now we're going to concentrate on those words. Look at my board here. The letter T is first. The letter G is next. And the letter P is last. Okay? First, next, and last. Look at my animals. They're all in a row. Look at my stuffed animals. They're all in a row. Look at that. So, my moose is first. Oh, well, looking the other way, sorry. So my rabbit is first, my chick is second or next, and my moose is last. So first, next, last, okay? The rabbit came in first, the chick came next, and the moose was last, okay? So those are the words that we're concentrating on to do our writing today, okay? To tell order. So you're going to draw steps to doing something simple, such as making a peanut butter sandwich. You're going to put the steps of making a peanut butter sandwich. Which happens first, what happens next, and what happens last, okay? When you're making a sandwich. And you're going to tell mommy and daddy or whoever's helping you with your work all about how those steps would go first, next, and last, okay? That's what you're going to do for me today. And then you're going to complete your reader's notebook page 170, okay? So you have two assignments in this creative writing activity. We're thinking about organization, first, next, and last. And you're going to write the steps that you use in making a peanut butter sandwich. You can put it on a piece of paper or in your book. And then secondly, you're going to turn to your reader's notebook, volume 1, page 170. Do well, and I'm sure you will.